Have here half a cup of oil. I know most Nigerian meals use a lot of oil. So actually the recipe says use 1 cup, but stucky did in a cholesterol. So
healthy living.
Use half. And we're just gonna wait for the oil to get hot, and then you can add the onions.
Nice.
You can add the tomatoes right away. Tunaziweka zote one time.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
What
so
is that
the reason
doing?
why najua pia tugu unajiuliza mbona msa ameka vitunguu nyanya alafu hata sijaiva bado. Now what you want, because we have blended like almost all the ingredients. This one's a bit of crunch hapo kiasi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hiyo nyanya pia na hiyo kitunguu ipatie ka crunch kiasi.
Yeah.
Na plus the blended stuff we already did.
All
So
right.
we just want to brown the meat kidogo.
Okay.
Then we can add now the spices now.
Nice.
And we're almost done actually.
Oh, that was quick.
Hii nyama ikiiva tunakumwaga ndani na
Yeah, so this one you don't even have to let it cook. You chemke nini.
as long as the meat is ready,
pop,
just add that.
and it's good.
Yeah.
This is
like
amazing.
basically like 20 minutes, you're done.
Oh wow, that's very fast.
Does the water have
now
to
the
go?
reason why unaona imetoa maji mob
ni
vile tulijaza sufuria na nyama hapo of course imetoa hiyo.
Yeah, okay.
But don't worry, itakuwa tu sawa. But we can still add the spices. So
spice time.
Here we have some rosemary. Let's say a
rosemary,
tablespoon, some curry powder, tablespoon, some paprika, teaspoon.
Now chef, I can see bado hamjakaranga, maji bado yatoka kwenye nyama. So
yeah,
is that what you want?
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's okay. Ikikauka pia si mbaya pia. Kwa hivyo pia si mbaya.
Haitakuwa ngumu.
Haitakuwa ngumu. Hii ni fillet hii.
Fillet is ngumu.
The cut already was good.
The cut that matters,
the cut that matters.
So kwa hivyo kama ni cut ile kawaida ambayo tunanunua on a daily basis, and you want to make sure that can we boil it first? Yeah, chef is not sure because
it's not about even sure. You know, like maybe start.
Yeah.
Maybe unajua ni recipe ya watu fulani. Sasa ukianza
change it up.
Okay, we can change it ikuwe yako.
Yeah.
But we're giving out a general recipe.
True.
Let's just follow to the T.
Okay.
Maybe utake kuifanyia blend kiasi.
Yeah.
But as you can see, unacheka hata ishatengeneza ka stew yake.
Yeah, I would eat this now, man.
Exactly, it looks good.
I just want a chapati and or bread.
And dip that. It looks good.
Now,
it smells delicious.
So we have some cubes, of course. West Africa cubes bay.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
And then you mix that up. Yeah, thanks.
And then just give it a...
That's splashing all.
Okay, just
all
give it a taste.
Collateral damage.
Okay, you want to do that because you know how it should taste.
Okay.
So just drop some.
Drop a whole piece or
no, just the gravy.
Just the gravy.
It's okay.
It's hot. You're used to the heat.
Yeah, he's used to the heat. Yeah, I know, right?
I can't.
Do you need more salt?
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa?
Iko sawa kabisa.
Okay, now.
Like iko sawa ile like nikiongeza chumvi kiasi sasa
it's gonna, now,
so okay.
Are you gonna put sugar in?
Since we have the tomatoes,
yes.
Let's put it first then.
And then we put sugar.
We'll taste it and then we'll know.
Score, guys! Yes, do the
smoothie.
honors. You're the one cooking for us today.
Our veggie smoothie.
Our veggie smoothie.
Ooh. In goes the veggie smoothie, guys. And that is basically gonna be the sauce.
Yep.
To our meat. Now, guys, it's basically a very simple stew.
Once you've done that, we have here a bay leaf, rushatun ndani, and just leave it to simmer.
Leave it to simmer.
Just for about 10
minutes.
There
you go. That's all she wrote.
That's it.
Yep. That's it.